Living in a dead man's land, unconscious in my room, on drugs in Malibu. I waste away for you, crying to my dirty hands, with nothing left to say, but gone anyway. I've made my last mistake. Is this all? Do I stare in the face of my doom while I'm trying to fight with these fumes? Am I cursed to build my own tomb on the run? Are the voices getting too loud? Am I rotten inside and out? I'm lost inside the crowd. I'm coming down the window. I fall without a sound. I'm crossing into limbo. I'm lost inside the crowd. Getting too loud. Am I rotten inside and out? I'm lost inside